Welcome to another edition of Toolbox Tuesday. Today we're going to look at the drain gun, sometimes referred to as a gallows gun. This tool is used when cleaning out drains or trying to get clogs or blockages out of drains. Technicians in the past have had to use large tanks and things like that and haul up to the place wherever they had to work on a drain line, and sometimes that can be cumbersome. So this little handy tool is very small, very compact. Or when you buy it, you need to also purchase your CO2 cartridges. So they come with 12 in a box, and you switch these out every time one of them comes out. They are 800 PSI CO2 cartridges, 12 pack. The cool thing about this little hose is it's got this cone-shaped nozzle that's going to allow it to fit from on different size apparatus that you have. So we have a pipe here, and you'll see how snug it is. One of the things when you're cleaning out drain lines or blowing out drain lines, you got to have a towel or something to kind of keep the air from escaping back, and you can actually get all of it to the drain. So once you take the drain gun out, you unscrew it, unscrew the top, the CO2 cartridge will go on the bottom, and you'll notice there's a little piercing pin on the inside for the CO2 cartridge. Take your CO2 cartridge, drop it inside the handle, screw it on, and as you're screwing it on, the little pin on the inside will puncture the CO2 cartridge. Cool thing is it's got a little safety valve or a little safety lock on it so that you can't squeeze the trigger and accidentally discharge it when you're using it. So I went ahead and just found some old PVC pipe laying around and took the pleasure of clogging that for you. Sometimes drains are very, very hard to get out. You may have to use more than one cartridge to get it out, but it's very simple. You go into where you're gonna put your drain, make sure you got it on there snug. We'll turn our safety off and then blow our drain out like so. If that had gotten stuck, we could use the rest of our charge there and go to another CO2 cartridge if we had to. Hopefully with 800 PSI, that might be enough to get it blown out, but you want to double check and make sure you do it correctly and you get the drain or the blockage taken care of. That's the Versatech drain gun with the CO2 cartridge. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Toolbox Tuesday, and we'll see you next time.
Get yours today at Sparky Direct.